Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily get back old wallpapers on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first get into settings. Then scroll down until you find Wallpaper, and right on that screen you are able to get access to your wallpaper history if you updated your device to iOS 16 or later versions. So all you have to do is just swipe across all the wallpapers that you set before, just like that, in that simple way, and it shows you all your wallpaper history since you updated your device to iOS 16. So you can create new wallpaper, and it also will be showing right there in that history. And once you find one wallpaper that you want to restore, you can just hit right here at set as current, and now as you can see, I have just restored my old wallpaper. And in the same way, in any time you can go back here and set any wallpaper from that history as a current. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my wallpapers and iPhone tutorials playlists, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.